The production line of sludge ball pressing machine is shot at the scene. Take a look at it together. Before starting the machine, clean up the debris of the sludge ball pressing machine. Fix the bolts and remove the load. 2 sludge ball press test machine. First, use the point method to make the motor pulse rotation, such as no other noise. Normal operation can be started. 3. When feeding the sludge ball press, the electric feeder should be ensured to feed evenly and according to the situation of warehouse pressure. We'll adjust the electric feeder to the best effect. 4. After the end of each shift, the sludge ball press bin material should be used up. Avoid starting later with load. Finally, normal stop or emergency stop, and the opposite of driving sequence.